Hey everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It is I, JayCIngram, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, girl, I am going to be doing just like a little light fall makeup look with a dark vampy lip. Of course, I did something kind of Halloweenish, as y'all can see right here. I did something kind of Halloweenish. It was like a bloody cut crease. I did that when we went to the Haunted Pumpkin Patch. Girls lame. The Haunted Pumpkin Patch was lame, but I still have fun with my family. But yeah, so I did that look, and I just wanted to do something light today and play around with some new makeup that I picked up. So if you guys want to see that kind of video, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this video, y'all know I gotta remind y'all, why aren't you subscribed? Hit that subscribe button and join my little family over here, and hit the bell notification right after that to be notified for all my future videos. Click all when you hit the bell, and at any point in this video you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, if you guys enjoy any of these products that I talk about, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with all that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video. Okay, y'all, so first I'm going to go in with the ゚Sex Sport Lip Balm. This is not new. This is not new, but I really like this lip balm. It's really, really good. Next, I'm going to go in with the ゚Sex Wet Lip Oil in Jellyfish. I love their lip oils. They are everything. And I get a lot of questions on like what is on my lips. 9 times out of 10, it's this lip oil. I'm gonna go in with the Broadway Ultra Lip Mango Butter Lip Gloss. It's their new one. This is actually how your lip care is supposed to go. And that's what I usually put on my lips, y'all. Y'all, do y'all like my hair? I was trying something different, and I was like, let me do something different with my hair. And I also got my other nostril pierced right here. It's looking cute, I can't lie. It's looking really cute. I actually got it pierced because of Dion. Every time I see him, I'll just be like, bitch, I want my other one pierced. So I'm going to do one eye off camera just to see like where I want to go. And the palette I'm going in with is the Tammy X Revolution palette. It's the Tropical Twilight palette. It looks something like this. So pretty. And I'm just doing something light on the eyes because I'm going with a more bold lip. So, of course, I'm going to be playing with the neutrals up there. Okay, guys, I'm back. And this is pretty much the eye that I was going for. Just something soft and subtle and smoky. I used 2 shades out of this palette. I used Tanned and Sunrise. Those are the only 2 shades I used. And I might throw on a black liner. I don't know yet. Yeah, I don't know. But this look is really easy, and this is just for, you know, people that, you know, it's just starting out in makeup and different things like that. So I'm only using 2 shades, so remember that. And 2 brushes. So I'm taking the orangey shade that I showed y'all, which is this one right here. And this is just an easy fall look. So I set the base that I had down with some translucent powder. The concealer I used for my base was the Lip Bar Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer as my base. And I used the Makeup Revolution Translucent Baking Powder to set that. And that's the powder I'm using to set my whole face today because I haven't used it. And I'm just going back in with that orange shade and just blend it. And I'm about to go in with that deep brown shade. Go in and just pat that on. Now I'm just taking that brown and just patting that all over my lid, because this is like just kind of like a brown smoky. It's literally just a brown smoky eye, like literally. Okay, that is pretty much it for the eyes. I don't think I'm doing anything else to them, so let me pack this up. But I'm using this to also sweep underneath, so I'm gonna put this to the side until later. Okay, y'all, so I am finished with my eyes. Only used 2 colors and 2 brushes, like I said. I'm going to go in with my skin prep for my makeup now. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is the Mattifying Putty Primer. And I'm just going to use that and put that in my like oily areas. And I'm just setting that with that same translucent powder that I set my eyes with. My base with. So the foundation I'm going in with is the Born to Glow foundation by NYX. I have never tried a NYX foundation before, but yeah, I don't know. I've never really tried one before, except for this one, because I heard really good things about this one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to just try this with y'all.
Don't stop, pop that kid, just like that.
I don't know how to feel about this foundation. It doesn't look bad. If y'all do not have this Juvia's Place brush, what are y'all doing? This brush is everything. I have a lot of discoloration around my face, so I tend to go for more foundations that are red or peachy. Now I have my foundation on. I actually like this foundation and I like the coverage. Yeah, I just can't find the fucking top. Where the hell did that bitch go? It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't. It's a little red, but that's fine because of, you know, I'm a man, so I have my beard area and this darkness, and that red helps cancel that out. But I'm gonna go in with the Lip Bars Quick Concealer and the Morphe Fluidity Concealer, and I'm going to use both of those. I love this Morphe concealer. It's literally everything. And I'm going to take my Dark Skin Makeup Daily sponge and just roll it out. Ooh, look at that. Should I put a little bit down here? I should right now. Look at that, y'all. Gorgeous. Now I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution Translucent Setting Powder. And this is like baking powder. It's it. And y'all know a lot. I know a lot about baking. Take that, blow out the excess, and put it underneath. I do not know how I feel about this powder yet.
It's hard waking up every day and still being fucking ugly.
I'm gonna use it to set my entire face. This powder says translucent, but this shit's white. Okay guys, so I'm about to go in with the Makeup Revolution Glow Bronzer, the matte one. This is the shade Light. It's the lightest one. The darker ones are too dark for me. It's a little powdery, but I don't mind that. And I'm just about to bronze up my face with this. I'm getting tired of using the same products, so I wanted to try a different bronzer. And you know, just so I'm not just using, you know, the Lip Bar or Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So that's why I picked this up, and I had my eye on it for a minute. I like this bronzer. I'm not gonna lie, it's really, really pretty. I'm not actually going to snatch my nose like I usually do because that powder is like really, really stark white. As y'all can see, I didn't have to brighten under my eyes. Like, this is just from that powder. I'm gonna go in with my custom Minute Finish face palette, and I'm going to take the blush that's in there and just apply this. I don't have a new blush, so, and y'all know I love blush. I'm just pouncing, and then I start like just sweeping in a sweeping motion. This is also to calm down that under eye, because y'all see it's really bright. Now it's time for setting spray. I'm going to go with my Slay All Day setting spray and my fan. Okay, so this is pretty much how we're looking.
I think it's because the way my head is set up.
I don't hate that powder, but I don't like it. It has my under eyes looking crepey like a desert, but we are going back with those same shades anyway up underneath, so it doesn't really matter, but that's besides the point. But yeah, I'm not really feeling that powder. I'm not. No way. I'm gonna take those same shades and sweep those right underneath my eye to hide some of this crepiness. Okay, y'all, I'm going to pop on some lashes and put on some highlighter, and we're going to come back for the lips. Hey guys, so I'm back and we're about to do the lips. To finish this all off, I have on the Beat by Deb loose pigment highlighter on. I love this highlighter. It gives like something subtle, not too much, you know. And I have on the McKinney lashes on. These lashes are everything. I love these lashes. And I also pierced my ear on both sides. I put it in piercing, so if y'all noticed that. So for my lip, I'm going to use the Lip Bars Liquid Lipstick in Savage. But I'm going to first line my lips with the Crayon Cases Lip Pencil in Bribery. Ooh. Okay, y'all, now I have my lip on. I'm going to go change and get ready to go pick up my food, and I'll be right back. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look. I am living for this nice, beautiful, soft glam fall look with an amazing deep brown lipstick. Lip bar, get at them. Y'all can definitely still use my code JHEART for money off. This is everything. This look is really cute. It's giving me Black Queen vibes. I love it. I'm in love. Like, I keep looking at myself at the monitor. Like, I'm in love, y'all. So yeah, my fat ass about to get up and go pick up my food. And yeah, so yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video of me trying out these like amazing products, I liked everything. I'm just gonna get straight to it. I liked everything but the setting powder. It just gave me casket ready under the eyes. I didn't really like that. It was just too stark white, but I loved everything else that I just first tried today, which is like the foundation, the bronzer, everything just pretty much just coexisted with each other, and it was just perfect. So if y'all want to see more videos like this, then hit the eye up above or click subscribe and subscribe to my channel and click all. And with all that being said, y'all, I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye guys.